Hello, my name is Hemant Sawant and I am an avid hobbyist wildlife photographer from Mumbai, India. I have been actively pursuing photography for over 40 years. However, I have started doing wildlife photography in last 10 years. Initially, I used to photograph birds, but since 2016, I have caught a fascination for tigers. To me, photography is an art, and art is all about emotions. Every time I look into a tiger's eye, I feel connected to their soul, and I believe this connection is what helps me to make a good photograph. Photography in itself is a unique ability to break all language barriers, and one can easily form an emotional connections with wild animals too. People always talk about giving human emotions to animals, but I believe that when you lock eyes with animals, they become a part of you. This powerful connection and emotion is what I hope to present to you through my photographs. So join me on this journey and relive some of my favorite memories with me. From a young age, I always admire cameras and their ability to capture moments which would have been otherwise lost. As nobody in my family knew about cameras and their functions, I always borrowed them from others to learn. Throughout my college days, I actively pursued my passion for photography by doing wedding photography and videography. Because of fast and busy schedule of Mumbai, my passion for photography slowly took a back step. In 2011, when my younger daughter Saloni started showing interest in photography, especially wildlife, I found a way to relive my passion through her. Teaching her different modes of cameras meant I had to learn all over again. In 2016, I visited my first national park, Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve, and that was a life-changing moment for me. It's hard to believe that my wild journey began almost 5 years ago. Over the course of these 5 years, I have visited numerous national parks and seen countless tigers, and yet the memories of my very first tiger encounter are still fresh in my mind. Jim Corbett Sharmili and Paro, Bandhavgarh Spotty and Solo, Kana's Naina and Chota Munna, Tadoba's Matkasur and Maya have now become names in my everyday's conversation. One might just think that these are actual peoples I talk about. Although I have been in the field of wildlife photography since 10 years and I have photographed many species, but my heart seems to be set on tigers. The magnificent nature and the elusiveness of the beast has fascinated me ever since I saw it. Place Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve, year 2016. When I and my daughter Saloni decided to go to visit the park, we were told by many, visiting Jim Corbett will be a waste of time and money, as spotting a tiger will be difficult. Determined to test our luck, we set out for our destination with bags packed with cameras and eyes filled with hope. However, after spending 3 whole days without spotting anything in the park, we felt a little dejected. I remember waking up on the morning of 1st April and asking Saloni if we will ever see a tiger. She said yes, we will. Turns out, destiny had different plans for us. Around 8 a.m. on April Fool's Day, I saw my first tiger. Stepping out from a cloud of dust was a beautiful young tigress. We were very lucky to spot her on Sambar Road, as every part of this landscape paints a beautiful picture. And in this one sighting, we got all possible shots of her, be it walking head on towards us, climbing down on a grass green background, swimming in the water and even jumping. And this encounter left me wanting for more, and I decided this could be the beginning of my wild journey. On my quest to find and photograph tigers from different landscapes, the most I have captured in one frame were 3 tigers. But the dream of photographing 5 tigers together in one frame is one that pulled me back to the jungle. After a missed, unfortunate encounter in early months of 2019, I found myself on an elephant with my back facing a tigress and her 4 1.5 months old cubs. I turned around carefully and asked the other photographer if I could just place my camera on his shoulder. After steadying the camera, I went to take a test shot, and once I was happy with it, I pressed the shutter. When I saw the photo of mother and her 4 cubs, I had tears in my eyes. My first tiger family photo of 5 tigers. It has been almost 3 years since I took this photograph, but the memories of this photograph are still fresh in my mind. This is by far my favorite photograph. After visiting the commonly known routes of Tadoba and Pench, my friends and I decided to explore a lesser known jungle nearby, Tipeshwar Wildlife Sanctuary. Situated on the outskirts of Nagpur, Tipeshwar is a small but beautiful jungle. We were very fortunate to spot a pair of tigers merely minutes after entering the sanctuary. The pair was calmly grooming and walking in front of us while we all were photographing them from all possible angles. Suddenly, before we realized, we heard loud growls and roars from the pair, who were now in a mating pose. Delighted, everyone took photographs and returned back happily, thinking that we witnessed a tiger's mating. But strangely, something felt off to me. On returning back to the hotel, I checked my cameras and the answer was right there. While everyone was elated about the mating, I told them that what we saw was not a mating, but a false mating. The surprise group of 12 photographers questioned me how I could tell this, to which I simply told them what I had observed. Both the tigers were males. After a long debate and unknown facts about this behavior, I called my daughter, Saloni, to ask her about it. She then told me that young sub-adult males have a habit of mounting and practicing mating positions. However, this is an unusual occurrence and very few records of this behavior exist.